about seeing some things like, yeah, but he do got a lot of cars. Yeah, I got a lot of cars, but look, that's something else. That's I can get all that away. Y'all can have all that. See, this my shit right here. Let me show y'all my shit. See, because some niggas won't get twisted. You know what time it's your boy Scoupe Life 365, man. Getting a little dirty today, man. Sold a lot of parts on eBay today. Gotta go check and see what's on the shelf. Gotta go see what's on the shelf and try to get some of these parts out. Like I told y'all, man, like I sell a lot of parts on eBay. Especially German cars. Every once in a while a couple of Jap cars, but a lot of German parts. It's a great way to connect with other people and also give them the parts that they need, man. And that's what you do when you're all around car guy. So I gotta go into my stash and see what I got up in here, man. But yeah, it's plenty of money in the car business, man. You just gotta know what to do. I've been doing this forever. Let's see what we got here. See, I got a shelf full of stuff. Look at that. I got grills. I got switches. I got side view mirrors. I got clusters. Man, I got headlights. Man, what else we got in here? We got holders even for, this is an E30. E36 cup holder. We got E39 grills. We got mass airflow sensors. Man, we got shock springs. Man, we got radiators. Man, I can go on and on. We even got some Japanese stuff. Starters. Side view mirrors. It goes on and on and on. Steering wheels. BMW steering wheels. And this is just a little bit of my stuff. I got a lot of this stuff in boxes and stuff. Got some side, y'all need mirrors, visor mirrors. 07X3 BMW. Yeah, we got everything, man. That's what we do, man. We real car guys. So we really into the business, man. Y'all be pressing them burns in too. We do it all here. And so we real car guys, man. That's why I sell a ton of parts. I got stuff boxed up. I got stuff everywhere, man. So, it's pretty much, man, what I do, man. I had to come in here to my storage and get a little dirty and make sure I get these parts out to the right people. But, but also it's a love. And when you love to do something, nothing deflects you from doing it. No matter what it is, there's no distractions. When you love cars and you just keep doing it no matter what. But it's all types of opportunities, you can make for yourself in this car business. But I'm the German car king, hands down. I got to have the most German cars for one person. I got so many German old schools, it's ridiculous. But I'm going to let y'all decide that. I need y'all to subscribe, follow, man. Like, share, comment. Keep supporting. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start giving away a lot of shit. And y'all know me. I done been in the hood giving cars away. 2-3 cars, TVs, whatever y'all need, I done gave it away. My track record is justified. People will tell you I really give stuff away. So y'all subscribe to the channel, follow, comment, like, and I guarantee you once we get to 1,000, I'm going to start getting stuff away crazy, man. Do not miss that and be a part of that, man. Scoupe Life 365, man. Let me find these parts. I got to send some stuff out, all right? I'll get back with you later. Like I said, we also got cars for sale, So anybody that's looking for a car, y'all know what it is, man. We ain't playing around here. Y'all see it right there. Lexus GS. That's what we do, man. We ain't strictly in car business, making the moves. What you got, man, this is what we doing. Scoupe Life 365. I'm about these cars, man. But check this out. Lexus GS. Lexus GS for sale. There you go. See? Clean car, man. Decent car. Everything works on it. Sunroof, power windows, tinted windows. Everything we got, man. Like I said, we got it all, man. We got it all, man. So Just letting y'all know, man. Just letting y'all know, man. That's what we do, man. So not only that, like I said, parts, cars, whatever y'all need, man, y'all just need to subscribe and keep following, man. Because some of these cars and stuff, I'm going to be giving away soon. Cars, four-wheelers, dirt bikes. I mean, what else y'all want? Let's do it, man. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, man, so I can show y'all. I can show y'all better than I can tell y'all. So let's go ahead and subscribe. If you ain't got a YouTube page, go sign up for YouTube and subscribe to the page because we're giving a lot of stuff away. I don't want you to be the one that missed out, all right? Let's keep it moving, man. Get with y'all later. Gotta go back and check for this title. I can't find the title to the GS. It's crazy. I'm glad I was talking about it. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is the title? Can't be losing these titles to these cars, man. You messing up money then. Scoupe Life 365, man. I know where it's at. Oh, here you go right here. See? That's what we do, man. Everything we got, we talk. You see that? You see that title right there? Cash Money, man. Lexus GS 06, man. I might even give it away, man, you know? I might give it away if y'all subscribe, man, you know? Y'all got to stop playing games, man, and know this is a real thing. You know, we got plenty of stuff we're going to be giving away. I just need y'all to subscribe, man. Like, we telling y'all how to build these cars. We showing y'all how to locate these cars. You know, we actually finding y'all old school cars, but also, at the same time, man, we can help y'all. You know, we're going to give away some stuff. It's agreed upon. It is what it is, man. Scoupe Life 365, and you know what? And for real, let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something. That's one title, but look at this. You know what I'm saying? They ain't playing no games, man. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? You see that? What are we doing, man? Y'all go ahead and subscribe, man. We got plenty of stuff to give away. Niggas talking about they got money and this and that. But nigga, everybody got money. Don't try to single nobody out. That ain't nothing. We got plenty of titles. You know what I mean? And like I said, a lot of these vehicles we giving away. I got the four-wheeler title. I got all, you know what, I ain't even going into that right now. And then, you know, somebody had made a comment before about seeing some titles like, you know, yeah, but he do got a lot of cars. Yeah, I got a lot of cars, but look, that's something else. That's I can get all that away. Y'all can have all that. See, this is my shit right here. Let me show y'all my shit. See, because some niggas won't get it twisted. Some niggas won't get it twisted. See, it's different, man. These my cars. Acura. Look at that, man. Come on, man. BMW. Let's go. Let's go. BMW. Let's go. Forward. Let's go. These are my personal cars right here. These are my personal cars right here. Toyota. There we go. Trailer. BMW. Trailer. BMW. Acura. Thinking that this is a combined thing. No, these mines. This is personal. These mines. And y'all's right there. So what I'm saying, man, y'all keep following us, man. Just keep following us. Subscribe. We got a lot of stuff to give away. And not only that, man, we're going to be doing a lot of stuff. We might even send some people on some trips or whatever, man. But subscribe. We need to get to 1K fast so we can get to 5K, 10K to 20K. And before you know it, man, y'all following Scoupe Life 365. It's going to be all love, man. But I just want to let dudes know, like, this ain't a thing, man. Like, this is nothing. We've been doing this. I just don't post and show a lot of stuff, but this is all people respect. You know, like, this is nothing. This is nothing. I've been doing this. You know, I'm from the streets, man. I'm from the streets. I got my life together. I'm legitimate now, but I'm from the streets. Like, this ain't nothing. I've been burying money in the ground. You know, what are y'all talking about, all right? Just subscribe and keep following, man. Now we're about to go get these speakers for the E30, like these joints gone. Look at that, man. Speakers gone, about to replace the speakers up here and up front. So that's going to be the project today. So once I get that together, you know, I'll tune back in and show y'all what I'm doing. Because we still working on this one project before we start working on something else, because it's really plenty of cars, you know? It's plenty of cars. Plenty of cars to work on. Plenty of cars to build. And I'm going to find my man Kev a 850C SI, because he hit me up today and said he want an 850 CSI. And he rich. You get what I'm saying? But I'm the old school German king. German cars, I'm the king, and I'm going to find it for him. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right, I'll get back with y'all later, all right? Subscribe, like, comment, man. Keep following.
Or water heater. If you know of a
All right.
military veteran in need,
About to head to the store. Going on a speaker hunt. Looking kind of rough today, but it is what it is. I need to find these speakers for the E30 so I can knock this out today. Today. Gotta find these speakers. These look like 5s. So they said 5.5 for these, but they look like the same size. I mean, I'm confused. But that's what we're about to do now. I'm about to go find these speakers, man. So wish me luck, man. Get with y'all in a minute. Man, finally just made it back, man. End up getting the speakers and everything I need for the E30. But for real, man, I went out to spend $200 to $300 on some speakers and end up spending $1,100 just getting everything that I need, you know. Had to upgrade it to the kickers and all that stuff, amplify and all that stuff. So, but, that's just part of the game, man. When you in this car game, you might have to spend up, Don't be cheap with your stuff. When you got your stuff torn apart like that, everything out, you got to be able to, to step up and really get, what you need for your car. So, like I said, sometimes it's like that. You go out to spend $300 and I spend $1,100, man. But y'all subscribe, follow us. We got plenty of giveaways. I'm about to put these speakers and hook these amps and stuff up, man. So I'm gonna get back with y'all later, all right? A little work, I'm about to get a little dirty, all right? Hour and a half later, I got the speakers in, man. Everything is sounding smooth, man. But the craziest thing about it is, man, I did not need the amp. I spent another $550, man, and didn't need the amp, man. Music is sounding good and crispy clear right now, man. Check it out.
Apply pressure, make them hate me more. At the end of the day, it's gonna cake me more. What you bitch niggas hate me for? I ain't worried about y'all money, cause y'all ain't help me score. Got a lot of respect in a couple.
But it's all good though, man. You know why? Because simple fact is, man, that really, when you building these cars and the old school cars, I always need the amp for another project, man. So really, it is what it is. I got it. I'm not complaining. It's just that the head unit is powerful enough for the speakers, and the new head unit I'm putting in there is a lot more powerful than this one. So we good to go, man. So there we go, man. That's all we're doing tonight, man. E30 speakers installed, man. We're moving forward. We're about to move to the outside. I got a couple more parts coming for the interior. Then we're about to move to the outside, man. So y'all stay focused, man. Subscribe, man. Do what you do, man. We got a lot of giveaways coming, man. I don't want y'all to miss out on it, man. Subscribe, get you on YouTube, do whatever you need to do, man. Keep following us, man. It's all up, man. We building these old cars, man. It's the best, man. It's the best. I love it, man. I love it. Scoupe Life 365, man.